everyone, my name is Madhav and today I am going to perform an experiment in which I will test that if leaves contain starch. So now I will put a leaf into this test tube. To test if leaves contain starch, first we have to take out all the chlorophyll out of the leaf so that we can get a better result. So here I have isopropyl alcohol as the spirit to take out the chlorophyll. So now I am going to submerge the leaf in isopropyl alcohol. So now the leaf is submerged in isopropyl alcohol. Now I am going to put it in water and then we will heat this. Now we are boiling the isopropyl alcohol. You can see after boiling it in isopropyl alcohol, it has turned light green. So now I am going to put iodine solution on it, and if it turns blue black, so it will have starch. So I am making the solution of iodine. So now I am going to put the iodine solution on it. Now you can see before it was bright green, but now after putting the iodine solution it has turned blue black color. You can see. Thank you.